Alexa, pause. Hello.
Hello.
Great evening, everybody. What's going on?
Good afternoon.
Or you afternoon? Where you at?
What's poppin', bro?
What's going on, family? What's going on? Yo, send a message out. We gave everybody like 5 more minutes. I'm saying 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
What's your main announcement?
Send the message out.
Chart 15.
What'd you say?
I said your main, well, not main analysis, but that way you do most of your work 15 for entries or?
No, I start at the day chart. We're gonna get into that. Just hold on real quick, please.
My bad.
I was about to go into the spill. Look, let's get everybody in the chat. You know what I'm saying? We got a system to this, bro. We got a system to this. It's all good. It's all good. It's all love. All love, positive energy, all love. Let's get it popping. Y'all, we got up in here, yo. Introduce yourself. If you haven't introduced yourself already, introduce yourself. You know who you are. Let us know where you from, how long you been trading, what's your goals. Let's go.
Guess I go first. Cortez, aka Profit Baby.
Let's go.
This blunt goals is literally that meal ticket. So.
Yeah. Okay, he's reloaded. Yeah. Who's next? Don't be shy. Or be shy. Who's next? Come on, y'all. Let's go. I'm telling you, man, you participate, people get. Listen, I give money out for free. I give knowledge out for free, master wealth. You know what I'm saying? Information. People could tell you, if they on this line right now, let them know. I have cashed out to send people money. I send people Bitcoin.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
What's up with it? My name is Amanda. I'm from Kansas, but I'm staying in Missouri. I have never traded before in my life. I'm very interested.
Okay.
I want to learn.
Okay, we got a new one, y'all. We got a fresh one. That's good. So we start with a clean slate, no retail trading. We can have you on the right mindset of being an institutional master trader. All right? Appreciate you, Amanda.
I'm ready to take notes.
No doubt. We got 4 more minutes, man. We're going to start this up, make this quick for the night, show y'all how we map this up, chart this up, and then y'all can go from there, you know what I mean?
Perfect.
Y'all let me know which pairs you want to look at. I don't have to do the typical pairs I usually do. Remember, this works on any type of trading platform. This works on all markets. Literally, this works on all. Okay, we got more people trying to come in. Let me add them in real quick. This works on all indices, all metals, anything. It works on all of it. So let's get it popping, yo. Let's get it popping. All right, we got about 4 more minutes. We'll let some more people in. Yeah. You know, some people, you say 8 o'clock and he's gonna show up to 8:30 and shit. Like, man, we told you 2 days ago.
Facts.
Shit is crazy. But it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I gotta be the example, right? I gotta lead by example. Yo, I see. Let me see what we got in here. We got Modi in here. Okay, we see you, bro. We got B-Arc in here. Who's that? Oh yeah, that's me. My bad. We got Green in here.
Yeah, got Forrest Hoodie in here.
Right. Sam Jordan, Prophet Baby.
A shadow though.
Right. Tanaya, Alexa, right? Did I say your
I'm
name
here.
right, darling? It's Tanaya?
Yeah, I'm here.
Tanaya, did I say your name right?
Tanya.
Tanya. Okay, we got Tanya Alexa. I don't know if this is Alexa Tanya or Tanya Alexa, but we're gonna keep it at that, right? We got my boy Debo in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Look, Amanda, Amos, see you, bro. Brandon Panteno. What's good, bro? Denzel
What
B.
up?
Who we got? Chris.
What's up, y'all?
Nick. Samir. Okay. Zeke. Yeah. Zeke, we been supposed to do this, bro. You tripping. Look.
What's good?
Justin and Karina. Yeah, Zeke. You ain't trying to move on that music, bro. I got the plug for you, bro. You know my business, man. Let's go. Nigel in this thing. Who's Nigel? Somebody new. Okay, we'll find out. Yo, Nigel, what's good, bro?
Where you from, bro?
Nigel.
New York?
I'm from Modiverse.
Okay, got it.
Talk that.
Yeah.
Got
You know, a compilation of things, man. I was actually born in Manhattan, New York. You know, people ask me these things all the time. So every time you ask me, I don't give a fuck. With 1,000 people on the line, I'm going to tell people where I came from, my background. I'm going to tell people how I came up understanding and becoming an engineer that I am, and reverse engineering these trades and reverse engineering all the stuff these people put out here, and how we gonna fucking win. That's how I'm gonna do it every time. Eventually, I'm gonna write a book. They're gonna read that shit. Y'all gonna get the free copy. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all don't fuck with me before we blew up. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, nobody's offended by my cursing. But yeah, so New York City, birthplace, Manhattan. Grew up in Brooklyn, New York.
Gang.
Hello.
I heard all the lingo, so I was like, I figured like he sound like he from New York.
Yeah, no doubt. You know what I'm saying? I moved to Atlanta in high school. I was a top grade 8 athlete. Yeah, I was talking about track and field and stuff earlier. I was top 10 in the nation. Track and field, you can look me up. Kwame Reed, track and field hurdles. I graduated 2006. Graduated 3.5 GPA, so I wasn't a dumbass jock. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, you see what we're doing. Had a lot of ups and downs in between there, you know what I'm saying? I'm skipping a lot of steps, but there's a lot of stuff in there that made me the man who I am today. You can read it in the book. What else? Went to college on a full ride scholarship. Lost my scholarship, tore my hamstrings. Beginning of my second year, when I was at a track meet, coming off out of the football season. So after that, I had a vision to go to the military. Went to the military, healed up. After I healed up, went to the military. I wanted to be an engineer all my life, or something like an astronaut or some shit. So when I got my ASVAB back and I scored a 92, they was like, yo, you can do whatever the fuck you want. So I went to be going engineer. They was like, you know what? Like, you know what? You're great. You're great at, training. You do push-ups, PT tests, all that. So they recruited me to be part of Spec Ops. I did that for 6 years. All this stuff, you could back test, backlog. You know what I'm saying? You can see it for yourself. I got pictures. I got everything dated on my social media. So you know this ain't no flex. It's no cap. Everything I said I meant. I was never capping. Shout out to the late great Nipsey Hussle. That's my man. Love him to death. He was on Forex, if y'all didn't know.
Yes, sir. That's who put me on.
Facts. What else? So to get here, I had a bad divorce. I became a homeless veteran. Went through a lot of shit. Lost my child when I was in my 3rd tour of war. Didn't know I had PTSD. Blah 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 blah. Now we here after 11 years of starting to trade. I started to trade stocks in the military. I had a hedge fund manager that was great at that shit. A white guy taught me that. And then so I basically took the same institutional mindset from that, converted to Forex, took my time. And 2 years later, if you look at my Instagram, I got a picture on there in my highlights that says like 177 weeks or some shit. You can do the fucking math, right? You know what I'm saying? 2 years later, we in here.
You still in like have you still
Hello?
Yeah, one person at a time, please. If who was talking just now?
That was me, Cortez. I would say you still in GA?
Yeah, bro, I'm still in GA. Why you trying to run down on me?
Yeah, I'm like, wait, where part you at?
Nah, bro. See, I asked the question. You answered it wrong, bro. You trying to run down on me, bro? I gotta watch out for you, Prophet baby. I can't be doing that, bro.
No,
you know
I'm
what I'm saying? Look. You think you're not slick, bro? I'm Spec Ops, bro. Don't run down, bro. You know what I'm saying? I made the 3 wars for a reason.
No, most guys.
Hey, that was a good ass question, though.
Most guys always like, hey, they just say they're Atlanta. Because I was gonna say I'm like 2 hours and 30 minutes from Atlanta. But that's what most people. I'm in Mount Vernon.
Yeah, I know where Mount Vernon's at. Yeah, bro, I'm in GA, bro. We can link up sometime. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say exactly where I'm at right now. My business is headquartered in Atlanta. But we'll talk more personal behind the scenes.
Yeah,
You feel me?
I got you. I didn't want to get that deep into it. I just, most people like they've been in the Atlanta area, so that's all I was asking. Wasn't that like that?
No, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? It's a joke, but it's not a joke. I'm really just feeling the energy out. I remember we only talked, me and you, for a minute, just like messages. We never talked personally, except for that one.
Facts.
I mean, we did talk personally in messages, but I'm talking about like energy wise, voice to voice. We ain't get to talk like that yet. So, this is our second meeting actually talking voice to voice. So
I ain't taking no way, bro. You good. You solid with me.
no doubt. No doubt. Yeah, I know I'm good though. Appreciate you. All right, so check this out, yo. Anybody got any questions before we start? I'd like to start with the questions. Starting off this week, please in the chat box, if you could raise your, how are we gonna do this? I wanted to make it towards organized as possible. All right, let's check this out. Let's respect everybody. Try not to talk over anybody. Right? Fuck that raise your hand shit. We're not children. So just come on. Everybody mute yourself when you're not talking. Mute yourself, or you will be muted. Right? Or kicked from the room if you disrespect anybody else. But yeah, ask a question. Ask what's going on. Like, how did we get here? Like, for talking about the master pattern, we're talking about setting up. Hold on, let me get back to this. We're talking about the master pattern. We're talking about setting up supply and demand zones, and trading in the zone, naked forex. All right. Anybody up? Any questions? Let's start off with the questions. Anybody? Somebody? Anybody? I like that part of Lion King.
Somebody talking, or I didn't want to go.
Nah, that's good, yo. Come on, let's do this.
I had a question. Well, it wasn't what you asked, but I was trying to, like I said, your initiative. What is your main reason of, like I said, nothing below the 15 minute? Is it just noise, or is this more particular than that?
Nah, it's just how initially was taught. I've traded before in 5 minutes and the 1 minute time frame. It's just that because it's so volatile and moves so fast, if you're not an advanced or becoming an advanced trader, right, or a stepping from advanced to master trader, bro, that should blow people's accounts, bro. You know what I'm saying? Right. So exactly, you know what I'm saying? The volatility is even more there because the time frame is quicker. Most people are not thinking, oh, in a minute I gotta check again. Or in a minute, they're not thinking that way. They're not that keen yet. So to hone the skills, we start with the day time frame, and it's what a lot of master institutional traders. The two in-house mentors I had, one was Swaggy C, the other one was I Am Yoshi B. You can look her up, right? I know. They do numbers, right? So I seen them doing these things, and I approached them the same way I shows love, right? And they let me into their sphere and circle because I gave them something as well, and it reciprocative energy, right? So they taught me from the top-down analysis, started from the day time frame. You see where your bias is. Okay, what's our bias? Boop. And then also this correlated and lined up with ATS, right? I'm sorry, AST. Right. Did I say that right? Yeah. So it lined up with the master pattern because I don't condone. I'm not here selling their product, right? I literally just got information, through paying monetary value for certain academies. There are people that are making it. I seen them doing it. I said, yo, I gotta buy in. Bought in, showed love. Now we friends. We good. They told me other secrets. So I took that information, right, and then I applied it to the master pattern. Okay, well, we trade in the zone, right? The zone would be what? Anybody know?
Well, for me personally, the way I do my zone and zone, I just use, depending on the chart I'm on, I use my next levels of support and resistance.
Yeah. Support and resistance is definitely a setup for zone trading. But the particular zone we're talking about, I'm talking about time frame, right? So time frame zone, right, the highs and low of the last day, correct?
Correct.
You see where this was at? The highs and lows of this day? Right?
Right.
This is when we started, and I marked this up on, what day was that, y'all? Sunday, right? I marked this up on Sunday. Set all these markups out, right? Come on, G. We'll come back to this. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Be patient, please. In the chat, somebody was saying something. All right, cool. Give me one moment. Exit out some of the stuff that's running. All right, cool. Check it. Where would I want this to be? There we go. That's what we look for. You understand? That's what we look for. Right? So going back to what we're saying, right? The first thing I do, let me clear this chart, y'all. Let me clear this chart. The first thing I do, clear the drawings, we're gonna mark it up again. Again. Right? The first thing I do, right? It's a day chart. What is the bias of this day coming in, starting out? Somebody can speak up, let me know. What's the bias? What's the bias?
Well, right now it's bullish engulfing, but it's bearish.
You said bullet. No, the bias is bearish. It's the new day.
Bearish.
But bullish engulfing, yes, we got to take this into account because this bullish golfing candle for the day, right? What these three patterns show it what?
Expansion.
No, morning star, right?
Oh, my fault.
It's all good. It's all good, King. It's all. That's why we getting it together. These three patterns. Fault. It's all good, King. It's all good. It's all love, baby. These three patterns right here show what? Again, a morning star, meaning this three pattern of candles together, meaning the trend is about to change and wants to go higher from where it's at, right? Because it came down some, right? So this gold. Gold went lower. Now it wants to change and come down, right? Excuse me. It wants to change and go up. That's why this bullish engulfing speaks a lot. This wick down here shows that it wasn't enough bearish pressure to push all the way down to the zone, right? Let's see. Yeah, percentage wise, okay, cool. Check this out. Check this out. Right? Oh, somebody trying to get in. See, people mad late. 20 minutes late, bro. Yo, he not getting paid, yo. I don't know who that is. He not getting no cash out, family. Let him know too.
One thing also I want to point out too is creating a higher low.
Yes, it's creating a higher low. You're right. So drop down here. We got two double bottoms. Now it's creating a higher low. These three things, if you don't know your candlestick pattern, symbolizes a change in structure, a change in the market pattern, right? Meaning that the bias now can be, and in the trend wise, not the overall, not the daily bias, but the overall bias now could turn into what? Uptrend. You see that? Everybody see that?
All right, I got a question.
Yes.
So on the daily chart, you're only looking at the previous three candlesticks?
Yeah, that'll be the zone. Actually, it'll be 7 candlesticks because for the week, if I look back for the week, right, that week before will tell me a lot what happened. You see this? They try to push up right here. The bulls didn't have enough pressure. That's why we had this reset of the market. Then it dropped down again. If we go back here, right, 4-hour time frame. Excuse me. Somebody trying to get in? Who's trying to get in? Somebody trying to get in, y'all. I just need to go and buy that shit, huh? Okay. We got 10 minutes and then we'll reset, y'all. So let you know with 10 minutes, we're gonna reset, all right? And come back in the meeting. So just, you got the same link. I'm just gonna start the meeting up again. Just come back in, all right?
Okay, so was it me or did it just disconnect or I'm tripping?
Nah. I don't know. I think you're connected. Everybody's still here, bro.
Okay, my bad.
Yeah. Everybody's still here, bro. We got 27 in the chat. We should see 27 in the next 10 minutes. When it's cut off, we're gonna reset, all right? To let y'all know, give y'all fair warning. So we go back. When's the new week? What's today? Wednesday, right?
Today's Tuesday.
Today's the 1st. I'm sorry, Tuesday. Tuesday. Monday, Sunday, right? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. This formation without any of this could tell you a lot what's going on. Oh, snap. If the Bears try to push down still, nothing happened. Even if we had none of this, and as the market just blew off all this off and reset it, we're looking at it more of an uptrend now because all of this pressure, all of this banks, and all the banks and moneymakers behind this move, right? Then we go back and look at the higher highs that were here. Oh shit, these are key levels. Look at this, y'all. It's stair stepping down. Remember, because they can't just take their money out or it will bankrupt the market. It will drop them. It will collapse the market. That's why the market moves like this, right? Just so y'all got that in mindset. Remember, the banks always trade at key levels. That's why I have my levels set like this, right? From percentage, go back, you can show the percentage, how where it's moving, it's below, how much you want to make, right? Then right
Quick
here,
question.
yes.
Do you have your EMA on 50?
Do I have my EMA on 50?
The blue
I don't
line.
have it. That's not an EMA.
He
That's
has it
just
on
a
200.
yeah. It's right here. That's just a moving average.
On the 2, the move. Okay, I used the 50 EMA. Okay, my bad.
Yeah, it's all good. Remember, no question is a dumb question unless what I'm saying, you don't ask a question and then you assume something. You know what I mean? Then it's dumb. Now you make an ass out of both of us. But you didn't do that, so I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I got a question.
What's up, Amanda?
All of the jargon, the trading terms, I don't know none of it. Can you explain to me what the word is that y'all using?
Yo, you know what's crazy? I'm glad you state that, right? Because I was talking to somebody today, and they was like, bro, like one of my partners, like he been watching me for years, and I was like, yo, bro, I'm gonna crack this code, bro. I'm gonna crack this code, and now he getting in. I'm like, bro, you could have just learned the language 2 years ago with me. You didn't have to, you know what I'm saying? He was like, yo, bro, what are we talking? I'm like, it's like a foreign language. Yes, it can be that way, but this is why I can't tell you all the words because like we'll be here for hours breaking stuff down, going through. But I will say this: I'll be more detailed when I say confluence. Right? Confluence is what? Confirmation, basically, in the trading world. Right? That's all it is. Right? Confluence or confirmation stating that, well, my moving average is under, right now it's under my price action. It's under the market. That means we're looking for more buys on a long-term scale, right? And remember, I really just put this on, so let me take this so no confusion, right? No confusion. Really, I don't trade with no indicators. I use indicators for confluence, meaning confirmation. So when I put the indicator back, okay, now I know. It's crossing over, right? All this may come under here, right? That means also if this stays above our price, we're gonna look for more sales. Does that make sense, Amanda?
Not really, but I'm writing it down. I mean, I'm gonna have to keep going over it and relearn. This is my first day actually, being involved like with actual conversation in detail. So I'm just learning. I appreciate you doing everything you can to help me. So you said confluence is confirmation, MA is moving average, and PA is price action, right?
Yes. PA is price action, FA fundamental analysis, TA is technical analysis, PDC is patient, discipline, consistency. If I'm moving too fast, let me know, anybody. Can somebody write those in the chat, please? I know most of y'all know them, so just write them down in the chat, write the list of the basic terms we use. We use the same terms. OTE, optimal trading entry. Thank y'all very much. Thank y'all very much. So let's mark this up, man. Let's mark this up. So what you want to do first and foremost, we want to go back to our first point of contraction, our closest point of contraction, right? Where price is fair market price is closest to. Where's our closest point of contraction? Right here, y'all. This little piece right here on the day chart will be contraction. So I'll go over here, get my box tool. Get my box. You can do this on any place you got. We can mark up charts. excuse me. Right? And I want it to be precise. Top of the wick, bottom of the wick. So that's the high of the day, the lower day, and the open and close is in there, right? I know if you don't know that term, it's O, right? It's OHLC. See that? OHLC. Open, high, low, close. All of that in that contraction zone. That is phase one. Hey, let's get it. Hey, that is phase one. Hey, let's get it. Somebody drop the beat. Phase one. Hey, I'm about to flow with it. Hey, y'all don't like that? See? Y'all haters, bro. Y'all haters, bro. Y'all some haters. All right, cool. Look, so check this out. Now I have, y'all know what
About
this
to
line
drop
is,
the
right?
beat.
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad. You know what I'm saying? We get it after this one. Quick. Let me explain this, though. Appreciate you, Ken. So check this out. This half line here is what? Fair price, fair market value, right? This is where they're basing their base off of once they reset the market. Once the computer, because the computer, the algorithm now runs off a computer algorithm. But the banks know that shit because they're the ones setting the algorithm up, right? If the banks are just trade against banks, but all these banks connected to the Federal Reserve, right? Hopefully they don't, take me out for this because they listening and shit. I'm spec ops though, I got this. That got me too, you know what I'm saying? Got the MNT family army behind me. We're not worried about nothing, right? So check this out. The Federal Reserve is connected to all of this. At the Federal Reserve, banks, right, are supposed to be in competition with each other, but they all one source entity behind the scenes, central bank. Who are they taking money from? Who are they traded against? High-end money makers. They traded also against a lot of retail traders now, right?
Yeah.
That are blowing their accounts because of what? No PDC. Psychology is off.
Thanks.
Niggas not being patient. You're not being disciplined. You're not being consistent. You go to school for 12, 14 years. Get taught a bullshit ass system. Don't teach you about money and financial literacy, but you was patient there. Most of us graduated, right?
Thanks.
You go to a job and a 9 to 5, give them all this time and energy. What are you exchanging to get the money, which is a currency, which is
That's
a form of energy, right?
Thanks.
Right? Y'all
Thanks.
catching my drift?
Yes,
Big
sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's all energy, yo. How do you want to move this energy? They manipulate the energy so they can have the control. That's all it is.
Facts. And like to piggyback what he said real quick, like when he was talking about the algorithm and things like that, it's only, I can vouch for that, it's only like a handful of people that even know that's how to market. So like what he really teaching y'all, like people charge thousands and thousands just to tell you that little information. So like what he really just got
$10,000, bro.
is like
$10,000.
it's like real game, like it's an AI that you up against.
Exactly.
Facts. Facts. So we understand that, right? So how do we trade not against the AI, but with the AI? So when the banks make, the best way we do this is, remember, the massive pattern is how the market moves. It's been this way for literally thousands of years when the first market started. So all they did was put that same algorithm into the computer. We got 1 minute left, right? So I'm gonna stop the video real quick, y'all, and then I'm gonna start it back up. Y'all just join the link again.
All right.
Quick question before it.
Yes.
I wasn't here the part like you were saying every 10 minutes it just restarts or
Nah.
Was
The meeting is like 30 minutes long. We just been in
no,
there. So
if you want it, I got unlimited. If you want me to post that in group, and I can make you the host, so you don't have to worry about doing
let's
it.
do that. Send that through. Make my
Okay.
yeah,
And when
after that,
you
I can make somebody else the host, right?
yeah, you can be the
use
I